The periodic table. One of the most iconic things of all science and the best friend of anyone in the chemistry field. But how did it come to be? This easily identifiable table was not always so cut out and recognizable. The story of this cornerstone of science began with the French alchemist Antoine Lavoisier, who arguably made chemistry a science, rightfully considered the father of modern chemistry. Along identifying hydrogen and oxygen, he helped reform the chemical nomenclature distinguishing elements and compounds, including sulfur, who had previously thought to be a compound. But sadly, he met an unfortunate fate because, well, vive la revolution. Flash forward a century. Scientists began to find ways to arrange these elements. British John Newlands was the first to arrange elements based on their relative atomic mass, but it wasn't enough. Enter Russian Dmitry Mendeleev to the picture, who, as other scientists did at the time, noticed the periodicity and relationships elements showed, such as the similarities of lithium, sodium, and potassium. While Mendeleev was not the only to arrange the elements in such forms, he is distinguished from the rest for having made sense of the gaps. Using his knowledge, Mendeleev was able to predict undiscovered elements and their properties with incredible accuracy. The great thing about the history of the periodic table is that it was made possible by contributions from a lot of different people, like German chemist Lothar Meyer, who worked closely with Mendeleev and shared recognitions for his work on the periodic table, or English physicist Henry Moseley, whose physics helped add to the understanding of the atomic number. This is one of humanity's greatest achievements, having taken a couple centuries and great minds from many different countries to reach where it is today.